Valencia lifestyle begins at day one here at Valencia Harbor in Fort Myers.
Valencia communities are known for exceptional 55 and up living, and Valencia Harbor takes it to the next level. Our lifestyle team is committed to providing a rich calendar of events and activities designed just for you. With an exclusive community center and the Sports and Racket Club and the breathtaking Harbor Club, lifestyle is truly reimagined here.
And no Valencia would be complete without our pickleball. We'll have 12 pickleball courts, 4 tennis courts. We'll have a pro shop so you can get involved with the community and maybe pick up a new sport. And then we'll have a food truck plaza, bocce ball courts, and event lawn.
Our expansive 10-acre recreational site and stunning clubhouse, boasting over 33,000 square feet, will continue to elevate the 55 and up lifestyle to new heights.
So you can come visit Valencia Harbor today, meet with the sales team, and then you can learn a little bit about the Valencia lifestyle beginning at day one. We'll see you soon.